This video, I'm going to teach you how to create sequence diagram in Draw.io. In order to do that, you first need to head over to drawio.com and then enter right here the kind of diagram that you wish to use. For example, let's input right here sequence diagram about photosynthesis. So just type that right here and click on this generate. You take note that you don't need to log in or register in order to do this, and it uses OpenAI for diagram generation. Click onto this generate right here and it will open in here this new tab. Now ensure as well that you have your JavaScript enabled or turned on. So in that way, it should be able to generate the diagram for you. For this, just wait for this to successfully load, and once it's done, this will generate this for you. And now we have this particular diagram. So here it is right here, quite large and quite okay. So if you wish to start from scratch, you can also do so by going over right here and click on more shapes. So under the software option, you should be able to find UML 2.5. So enable UML and UML 2.5, click on apply, and then on expand general, and in here expand UML. And you should be able to find right here some shapes as well as some templates that you can utilize. So just expand them right here and then just proceed to add it right here if you would want. So for example, just drag and drop it and it will be added just like that, however you want it to be. So it will also having here other options or other kinds of elements that you can add. We having here just plain things as well as others that are necessary for us to, for it as well. Once you're done, click onto this file and you can save it or export it if you would want. You can also share it to collaborate. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.